Welcome to Tech Solution. How to reset a Linksys Wi-Fi range extender. Method to reset Linksys Wi-Fi range extender. Resetting through web interface. Resetting through the reset button. Linksys Extender reset via reset button. Make sure your Linksys Extender is plugged into a power source and the power light is stable. Locate the reset button on your Linksys Extender. It is usually located on the back or bottom of the device. Take a needle or a paper clip to press the reset button. Then, press and hold the extender's reset button for 15 seconds. Release the button when you see that the power light is flashing. Once the reset process is complete, your Linksys Extender will be reset to its factory default settings. Linksys Extender reset through web browser. Connect your computer or mobile device to the Linksys Extender's Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser. Enter the Linksys Extender's default IP address, 192.168.1.1 in the URL bar. Press the Enter key. The login window appears. You will be prompted to enter the login credentials for your Linksys Extender. Once you have logged in, go to the Administration section of the Linksys Extender's web interface. Look for the Factory Reset option and click on it. You will be prompted to confirm the reset. Click on OK or Yes to proceed with the reset. The Linksys Extender will then reset to its default factory settings. Thanks for watching.